Welcome to the Kirklees College Virtual Open Day for Health and Social Care. If you have any questions during the presentation, then please type them into chat and we will answer them at the end. This session begins with a short video about our Huddersfield Centre, but these courses are also available at Springfield Sixth Form Centre, Dewsbury.
Hi, I'm Mel Ferguson and I work in the college's Health and Social Care department. Welcome to our virtual open day. The courses available in the Health and Social Care department are the Level 1 Health and Social Care course, the BTEC Level 2 First Certificate in Health and Social Care, the Level 2 Cash in Health and Social Care, the BTEC Level 3 Extended Diploma in Health and Social Care, and the BTEC Level 3 Extended Diploma in Health Studies. This course is only available at the Huddersfield Centre. The Level 1 Health and Social Care course is a one-year course. This course is delivered at both the Huddersfield Centre and the Springfield Centre in Dewsbury. The Health and Social Care course is part of a learning programme. You will study various subjects within the health and social care, such as communication, health and safety, and equality and diversity. You will also be expected to study English Language GCSE and Maths GCSE if you do not have a grade 4 or above in these subjects. Part of the course will require you to go on a 1-week block placement. You would do this in a health or social care setting. This course is a really good platform to start from, and people progress onto our Level 2 Health and Social Care course or various other Level 2 courses within college. Some of our learners go on into employment, and sometimes that is a result of their work placement. The Level 2 First Certificate in Health and Social Care is a 1-year course. This course is delivered at both our Huddersfield Centre and Springfield Centre in Dewsbury. The Health and Social Care course is part of a learning programme. If you do not already have a grade 4 or above in your English Language GCSE and Maths GCSE, you will be required to study these subjects alongside the Health and Social Care course. The first certificate is made up of 7 different topics. 2 of these topics, or units, are externally assessed. This means you will sit exams. Lifespan development and healthy living exams take place in January. If you do not pass the exams on your first attempt, you will get the opportunity to resit them in June. The rest of the units or topics are all internally assessed, and that is done through a variety of methods. You may complete assignments, do presentations, create case studies, or take part in role plays in order to pass those units. There are 50 hours of work placement assigned to this course, and you would do that in places such as a nursery, a school, a residential care home for older people, or working with people with disabilities. Progression from the Level 2 course is very successful for our students. Many of them go on to the Level 3 Health and Social Care course. In order to do that, it is vital that you get your English language at a grade 4 or above. Some of our students decide they don't want to do health and social care anymore, but that's okay because they go on to do a Level 3 in a different subject within college. Many of our Level 2 students also go on to do apprenticeships or go straight into employment. The Level 3 Extended Diploma in Health and Social Care is a 2-year course. This course is delivered across the Huddersfield Centre and the Springfield Centre in Dewsbury. The Extended Diploma is part of a learning programme. If you have not already got your GCSE Maths at grade 4 or above, you will be required to study this subject alongside the Health and Social Care course. There are 100 hours work placement assigned to the course. You will complete 50 hours in the first year and 50 hours in the second year. You can complete your placement in places such as nurseries, schools, residential care homes for older people, and working with people with disabilities, or you might want to spend some time in a hospital. We also have the opportunity for our students to go to a residential placement, which is a specialist facility in Southport called Revitalise. This facility has been built especially for people who have learning and physical disabilities, where they go to enjoy a holiday. Our students go and support them to enjoy their holiday. The Extended Diploma in Health and Social Care consists of 13 different units over the 2 years. 4 of these units are externally assessed. This means that you would sit 2 exams in the first year and 2 exams in the second year. The remaining units will all be internally assessed, and you will complete things such as case studies, assignments, presentations and role plays. Progression from the Level 3 Extended Diploma in Health and Social Care can either be into employment. We have had students who have gone on to work in residential care homes and manage residential care homes. We have had people go and be phlebotomists, support workers and non-teaching assistants. Many of our students go on to university. Some want to go and study academic degrees such as sociology, psychology and criminology. Others go to study professional degrees, which will lead them into a professional caring role within health and social care. And that could be something like youth and community, social work, primary school teaching, childhood studies, working with families and young people. Sometimes people decide they no longer want to do health and social care, As health and social care doesn't close any doors, our students have gone on to study things such as accountancy and media studies. The Level 3 Extended Diploma in Health Studies is a 2-year course. This course is only offered at the Huddersfield Centre. The Extended Diploma in Health Studies is part of a learning programme and could include GCSE Maths if you do not already have your grade 4 or above in this subject. There are 13 different units across the 2 years, and 4 of these units will be externally assessed. This means you will have 2 exams in the first year and 2 exams in the second year. The remaining units will all be internally assessed, and you will complete things such as case studies, presentations, role plays and assignments. The Health Studies programme is made specifically for people who want to go into the healthcare sector. This means that many of the subjects will be science-based. There are 100 hours work placement attached to this course, 50 hours to be completed in the first year and 50 hours to be completed in the second year. Some of these hours will be completed in a hospital setting, hopefully linked to what you would like to do in the future. The rest of your hours may be completed in places such as a residential care home for older people, or working with people with disabilities, or perhaps somebody might want to go and do the residential placement at Revitalise in Southport. Progression from our Extended Diploma in Health Studies. People go on to university and study child nursing, adult nursing and mental health nursing. People go on to do operation department practitioner degrees, radiography degrees and paramedic science degrees. Some of our students decide they don't want to go to university and go and be healthcare assistants or take an NHS apprenticeship.
My name is Charlie Michael and I'm studying Health and Social Care at Kirklees College. I chose Kirklees College for multiple reasons. Firstly, the course that was on offer. The course that was on offer was really suited to me, and it was just a very appealing option. Another reason was just the actual location. Just with it being so central in town, it's so accessible, and I heard about the reputation of it, like the support that you'd get, the actual resources that were available, stuff like that. So overall it seemed right for me. And my favourite part of college has been placement. It was a really good opportunity to get an idea of what the jobs that are available that are related to your course. So it's nice to get an idea of where you're going. And not only that, it was just a good experience. That week at Revitalise was really, really fun for me. And I plan on going back again out of college, so it was just a great experience. I would say that the achievement that I'm most proud of is completing my Level 3 Diploma in Health and Social Care, simply because it's my highest qualification, and I have put quite a lot of effort into completing it, and it's just nice to have something to show for my hard work. After I leave college, I'm going to pursue my placement, which was caring for the elderly in a holiday resort. So I basically want to continue pursuing the care aspect of it, and just whether it's with disabled people, just old people, just vulnerable adults, whatever, just some sort of care work and just making other people's lives better is definitely what I'm going to move on to.
Across all of the health and social care units, you will cover core units, things such as health and safety, development through the life stages, communication and science units. These subjects will then also be extended with other units that are relevant to your particular qualification. As I have already mentioned, on every level you will take part in a compulsory work placement in a relevant setting. This is an excellent way for you to gain experience within health and social care and will enhance your job opportunities and look extremely good on your university applications. In order to be able to go on placement, everybody must have a DBS done. This will be applied for and provided by the college. It is required for you to be able to go into work placement and is your passport to care. While you are in college with us at Kirklees College, you will be usually timetabled to be in 3 to 4 days a week. There are various different entry requirements for each course. You can find these on the website. If you do not have GCSE English or Maths at grade 4 or above, these will be built into every one of the study programmes. As well as all the hard work that our students complete, they also enjoy some enrichment time. The Health and Social Care Department are extremely proud of their fundraising activities. Over the past 4 years, we have raised over £6,000 for various different charities. As you can see here in the photographs, we have done a sponsored walk for the past 3 years, which has been a 7-mile sponsored walk from Marsden right to Kirklees College in Huddersfield. Earl Crabtree, one of the ex-England Rugby League international players who also played for Huddersfield Giants, joined us on one of those walks. The charities that we have collected money for have included the Forget Me Not Hospice in Huddersfield, the Alzheimer's Society, and here we were collecting for Yorkshire Air Ambulance. And as you can see, Earl Crabtree came into college and helped us to raise more money. This slide demonstrates the hard work that our students put into creating Christmas boxes for people who were homeless and people who were in need at Christmas. The students raised lots of money by doing bake sales, quizzes, sponsored silencers, sponsored walks, amongst many other things. Once they had raised the money, they went shopping and bought essentials and some luxuries for Christmas. Then all the boxes were put together, wrapped individually, each had an individual message on it. They were then distributed to people who were homeless and people who were in need through our students and through the mission in Huddersfield. So why study Health and Social Care at Kirklees College? The Health and Social Care Department at Kirklees College are very proud of the support that we give to our learners. We help to prepare them for their next steps in their careers, whether this is at university, on an apprenticeship, or in full-time work. Our students gain extensive academic and practical skills. Previous Health and Social Care students have gone on to be very successful and have gone all over the country to different universities. These have included universities in Edinburgh, Newcastle, Sunderland, Leeds, Sheffield, Huddersfield, Manchester, Birmingham, Leicester, London and Plymouth, to name but a few. Some of our students are now fully qualified adult nurses, child nurses, mental health nurses, midwives, operation department practitioners, radiographers, paramedics, social workers, primary school teachers, youth and community workers. Lots of our students have gone on to employment without going to university, and they have become healthcare assistants, phlebotomists, 999 emergency call handlers, dental nurses, working with children as support workers, working with adults with learning disabilities as support workers. Health and social care will never close any doors. All of the skills that you learn with us will be transferable onto any career that you choose to do. We hope you decide to come and study with us in the Health and Social Care Department at Kirklees College. If you have any questions, please type them into the chat and we will do our best to answer them. Thank you for listening.
Okay, I hope you found that useful, and we've got a few questions to get through. So shall we go to Mel first? We've got Mel and Melissa with us from the department. Hi Mel.
Hi.
Okay, so first question, regarding placements, is there support towards the cost of travel?
We usually try to encourage our learners to get their placements near to home, so that the cost wouldn't be too much, but you can apply for bursaries, and I would imagine that there will be it will be available through the bursary if you needed it.
Okay, and we've got somebody who wants to go on to occupational therapy. Will one of these courses be the right route, and which one would you recommend?
I would recommend the health studies programme, and yes, we have had quite a few students that have gone on to do occupational therapy.
DBS question. I've already got a DBS. Can I just use that, or do I need a new one?
It depends on how old that DBS is, but we probably would recommend that you do one with us. It won't cost you anything anyway, and it's actually attached to Kirklees College.
I've done the first year of my A levels and not enjoying them. Can you start level 3?
Absolutely, as long as you've got your English GCSE at grade 4, then yes, you definitely can.
And then do I need science for level 3 health?
Yes, we do. We do ask for English and science at a grade 4 or above.
Okay, and actually linked to science as well. They've not said which course though. What kind of science does the course cover?
So the course would cover in the first year nutrition, which is sort of science day, and then in the second year on the health studies you would do anatomy and physiology, you would do microbiology, genetic inheritance, and you would do a research project as well.
Okay, do you think placements will actually be available in September given COVID?
We are absolutely hoping so. We are already starting to get people back out on placement after Easter, so fingers crossed, as long as Boris allows it, then yes, hopefully we will be back out on placement.
Okay, shall we swap to Melissa? Hi Melissa.
Hi.
Hiya. So the next question is, someone's interested in midwifery. Which health and social care route would you recommend, and is it competitive to get onto midwifery?
I would recommend the health studies route because most universities ask for a qualification at level 3, which is 1/3 science, and health studies offers that. And midwifery is quite competitive, yes.
Okay, we've got somebody who wants to work with children with mental health and support them. Is this the right route?
Yes, it's the right route. You can, if you wanted to, you could also extend on that and follow the level 3 with a qualification from the university, and they offer a specific qualification to be able to work with children with learning difficulties.
That same person's also asked Melissa if they can do work placements specific to that.
Yes, they can do specific work placement with people who've got learning difficulties. We've got Castle Hill School. You could do the placement at the college with our foundation learners, or anywhere else.
Okay, we've got a question. We've got a mum whose daughter suffers from anxiety. Will there be support for her going to a placement?
We pride ourselves on giving support in health and social care for students who have got anxiety issues. We've got progress coaches who will support you, and the college also offer a counselling system. We have a placement officer who will help find the placement. I can't promise that somebody would go to the placement with you from the college for anxiety. But in college we definitely provide you support.
Okay, this is you might need this person to just extend the question a bit more. They've said, if I get a grade 2, will I be able to do health and social care? I'm guessing that's in English or maths.
Grade 2 students would be able to enrol on the level 1.
Okay, that's brilliant, thank you. Counsellor, I want to be a counsellor. What is the best route for me straight from school?
If you get 5 grade 4 or above, then the level 3 health and social care pathway is perfect. You can follow that by going to university to do psychology and counselling. The college also offers a counselling course, but you'd have to be above 18 for that.
Okay, someone's asking, is it full-time? How many days a week are we in?
It's full-time, 3 days a week in the classroom, and 1 day a week placement, and then 1 day study.
Mel, this is just out of interest, how do you put the resit around when they're on placement? What happens with their maths or English resit lessons?
It's timetabled into their normal day, so that would be in the 3-day window.
Okay, the next question is, how is it 2 years at level 3?
2 years at level 3.
And is there support going to university?
Yeah, we pride ourselves on giving you lots of support for university applications. Your SPL, study program leader, will sit with you to develop a personal statement and help you to complete the UCAS application.
Okay, just going back to the DBS, the person asked the DBS question before is said, do I have to pay for the DBS or does the college?
DBS is free, college pays.
All right, that's brilliant. So that's all the questions. There's one around applying that I'll answer. Yes, we are still accepting applications. The college deadline is at Easter. We will consider applications after that, but we can't guarantee there are any places available, particularly in health and social care. At the minute, the team are not doing face-to-face interviews. If you have identified any additional learning support needs on your application form, or if your attendance falls below a certain level, then it may be you are contacted for a Teams interview, but we're not doing face-to-face interviews. And we are enrolling in August, and that will either be face-to-face or online. You will have a choice. Quick questions come in. I want to be a nursery teacher. Is this the right route?
You should apply for childcare for nursery nursing there directly for nursery nurses. However, you can also do a course on health and social care. So yeah, you can do it with us as well.
Brilliant. We've just done the childcare presentation, so that will be on the website next week if you want to go back and watch it that person. So I'm going to end the session there. If you'd like to attend any of our other virtual events, then further information is available on our website, www.kirkleescollege.ac.uk/virtual open days. On there are also recordings, as I've said, of previous presentations. There are videos of all our centres and lots of useful information for your application process. Thank you for attending. If you have any further questions, then our course information team are available until 2:30 p.m. Sorry, wrong time. They're available until 8 p.m. You can call them on 01484 437 070. And they're there till 8 o'clock and they reopen at 9 a.m. in the morning. Thank you very much.